Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to learn how to show data on the journal entry inquiry by individual. In this program, we can only inquire our own journals solely based on our own logins. While on journal entry inquiry, all accounting department may have access to all journals on different screens. This program is to show the list of all journal entries details from all transactions within the selected accounting date from your individual account entry employee. The important field here is the entry date range. For more specific results, you may enter the other inquiry condition, such as journal type category, account category, journal type, account, dimension, or approval date. The blue areas with magnifying glass are code help. Means you may enter the first of the characters and the system will call to the closest results. For example, if you type KNA here, the system will bring you the list of chart of account that is closest to the keywords. When all is ready, click Inquiry to show all the data. You may double-click on the left side of the table, and you will jump to Journal Entry Program. Or you may select one of the transactions and click Print. That's the final of Journal Entry Inquiry by individual. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.